All right, over here we're gonna show you how to use a hedge trimmer. Now granted, we're using bales of hay, but this is for a demonstration. This is just like pruning bushes. So this is Mr. Jose Martinez. He's a groundskeeper. He actually does this every day for the grounds department. So he's gonna demonstrate and show you how to use the hedge trimmers. Something that you wanna keep in mind. When you're running these things, these blades are moving. Do not put your fingers in there. Don't wear loose clothing when you're using these things. Okay, Jose. Something you always want to remember, he's wearing gloves, eye protection, ear protection. It's for your safety.